Hello everyone, and today I am in Marlene's house. Yes, Marlene is recording, so shout outs to her. But today we're going to be opening up another Crown Zenith Premium Collection box. You guys asked for it because on the last opening I did of Crown Zenith back when it first came out, we got some very good pulls, including that Mewtwo V-Star and Radiant Charizard. So today we're going to be opening up the newly released Pikachu VMAX Special Collection box. This box just came out about 4 days ago as of time of recording this. So this is the brand new Special Collection box. It comes with 2 promo cards. We get Pikachu V and Pikachu VMAX, Sword and Shield promo number 285 and 286 respectively, with 5 Crown Zenith packs on top of the giant card. So we're going to crack this baby open, see if we can get as good pulls as we did last time. And for those of you that aren't aware, Crown Zenith is probably one of my favorite sets recently. Galarian Gallery out of this, so let's crack this baby open. So this is a new studio. This is Marlene's house, so heck yeah. So we got the Pikachu VMAX. Here's the back, if you guys want to see this, but it's Crown Zenith. So they got the crowns on all the sides here, so we're going to crack this baby open. I can just destroy the box because who cares? The box just gonna get thrown away anyway. It is a nice box though. Some of the last Sword and Shield promos this box just released a couple of days ago. I just got it at GameStop yesterday, so very nice. Take off all the plastic here. So here are the promo cards. Here's the Jumbo Promo Pikachu VMAX card. This looks very nice. Look at that shine on that bad boy. Very cool card. I'm gonna sit that right there for now. And then the other 2 promos. Crack these things open. And check. All right. So here's the code card for that one. And then here is the promo card. I don't want to get this bent up. Holy crap. Get out of there. So this is the normal Pikachu V promo number, Sword and Shield promo number 285, and then the VMAX promo. This card looks great. These are the 2 Pikachu promos that we get out of that box. Very nice. And then the 5 packs. There they are. Heck yeah. So let's see if we can get the goods out of these. There's 5. Basically in Crown Zenith, there's a higher chance that you're going to get a hit than a trash pack because there are so many ultra rares in Crown Zenith. We're going to get started here. So I'm going to throw all this stuff away, clear off the area. All right, guys, so we got 5 booster packs for Crown Zenith. We're going to crack these babies open. Hopefully we can get some good. I don't have any sleeves on me, so these cards shouldn't get damaged, but we're going for that gold Giratina, baby. Is it in one of these packs? We have to find out. There are some beautiful cards in this set. We're going to see what we can get. 5 packs is pretty good. If we can get at least 1 hit out of these, I'm open. So let's go. We're going to start with this one. All right, here we go, boys and girls. Crown Zenith, a great set. I don't want to damage these because I kind of want to keep the packaging. So I'm going to open this carefully. All right, guys, Crown Zenith is a great set for those of you that don't know. And the code card does not matter too much. So I'm just going to open it like so. That way I can keep it pretty good condition. Okay. Here's a code card for you guys. Any of you guys want to type that in there as a Crown Zenith code for y'all? All right, it's going to be 4 from the back. Now, that's 4, okay. Now, in order to get the Galarian Gallery at the end, which is what we want, I'm actually going to... Well, never mind, I'm not going to do that because that's just going to reveal stuff. First pack, here we go, guys. So remember is it too dark here? Now remember, that's a good angle right there. Remember that reverse hollow spot is key. So we got a Fighting Energy, we got a Shaman. That reverse hollow spot is key to the Galarian Gallery, of course, which is what we want with those full arts. Purloin, we got a Love Disc right here. Got a Chatot, we got a Yanma, got a Pawniard, reverse hollow. Ooh, baby, we got a full art trainer. Gardenia's Vigor in the Galarian Gallery, number 61. Full art trainer. That looks amazing. Look at that card. Blow it up there. Look at that. That is beautiful. And then for the rare, we have a regular rare Gumshoos, but it doesn't matter because we get the Galarian Gallery, Gardenia's Vigor card. That is a good pull. Let's go with this bad boy. So I'm going to leave the trash cards over here. The regular. So we got a regular rare Gumshoos, not bad, but we did get the Galarian Gallery. Remember, so basically we have 2 chances to pull a rare. First pack was a hit. If the rest are garbage, honestly, that's not bad because we did get a great pull. Again, I want to open this carefully because I like preserving the packages. So I'm going to open it just like this. And I love how the packaging's gold on these. Oh, God, we got something back here. I saw a shine. Holy crap, we got some full art goodness. I feel like the lighting is not too great here. But here's the code for you guys. So I'm just going to open this one over here. Crown Zenith code. All right, let's do 4 from the back. I feel like just in case this one's in the Galarian Gallery, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that from the back. Oh, God, this is the end. I can feel texture back there. Holy crap, I'm going to do something like this. That way the Galarian Gallery. Nah, you know what? I don't care. Because the rare at the end is a good card. Now, hopefully, even in the regular set, we can still get Charizard out of this, so that's pretty sick. So we got a Fire Energy, we got an Electric, Energy Switch, Digging Duo, Yanma, Pawniard, Kricketot, Shinx, Galarian Mr. Mime. The reverse holo is a reverse holo Fire Energy, and the rare is a Zacian V-Star. Let's freaking go. What a great card as well. That is it. Outstanding pull. This is probably my favorite V-Star in the entire set besides the Charizard. The Zacian, honestly, looks freaking sick. If you can tell, for those of you guys that don't know, Zacian's actually in the pack art. This is a great box, by the way, guys. Holy crap. He's on the pack art, and we pulled his card. What an amazing pull. That is an insane card. That Zacian V-Star. Holy French. 2 full arts, man. We got a V-Star and a full art trainer card. We still got 3 packs left, guys. We are not even close to enough. All right, let's open this next one over here because the lighting seems to be a little bit more promising over here. We're gonna open this bad boy over here. Keep the rares over there. I keep that pack just in case we got something. The V-Stars are really cool art as well. I'm not sure. There's no way we could get a triple cheeseburger right now. For those of you who don't know what the triple cheeseburger is, it's no way in heck we're gonna. We got another Fire Energy. All right. There's the Fire Energy for those of you that don't know what that is. We got a Metang, we got an Energy Switch, we got a Trekking Shoes, we got a Seal, Potion, Aeron, Corphish. Now, a lot of these are actually reprints from other sets. You can tell by the year down there, 2023, that's new. Sunkern Reverse Holo, and a regular rare Executor. It's about time we get a trash pack. Not mad at that, considering the last 2 pulls, and we still got 2 packs left, so let's open these bad boys. We'll open them over here. All right, Zacian V-Star was one of the cards that I really wanted from this set, and I didn't even know about this card, but man, it's looking good there. I pulled up the set a lot, and this is a very good set for these here. Don't know if there's anything in this, but it's hard to tell. There's a code for you guys. All right. Whip out this bad boy. 4 from the back. Let's do it. All right. Electric Energy. Start things off here with an Ultra Ball, a Salazzle. That's a nice looking card. Just an uncommon though. Dusclops, Love Disc, Chatot, Yanma, Pawniard. Oh God! Pawniard, I didn't mean to do that. Bidoof. We got an Entei reverse rare. Now that comes in a holo regularly, and then a regular Luxray. Now that Entei is a good card to get in reverse. I'll leave that off to the side too. That is a reverse holo of a regular holo. The final booster pack for Crown Zenith. And okay, if this video gets 15 likes, you heard me, 15 likes, I'll open some more Crown Zenith. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these openings because I love Crown Zenith. It's a great set. Okay, there is the code. I don't know if there's going to be anything in this one, but just in case, do the trick. Now, if this is trash, I don't care because of... Okay, that's stupid. Grass Energy, Luxio, Metang. We got a Shaman, Cherubi, Execute, Rockruff, Purloin, Love Disc, Absol. Hey, that's cool art. That's reverse, but that's thing. And then another Luxray. You kidding me right now? We got the same regular rare. What was that? So that's going to be the final pack, guys. We got an Absol. That is also a reverse rare. I think that Absol might come in a holo. So let's do a recap. So that's all the packs for today. So obviously we got the regular Pikachu V out of the box. Very nice. With on top of the Jumbo Pikachu VMAX, by the way. you didn't see that jumbo card. The regular Pikachu VMAX promo, very nice pull. Gardenia's Vigor, Galarian Gallery Full Art Trainer, amazing card. That is a beautiful card. Then my personal favorite pull of the opening was definitely the Zacian V-Star from the main set. Oh my God, what a crazy card that is. I love that so much. One of my favorite cards I pulled out of Crown Zenith besides the Mewtwo V-Star. This reverse rare Absol card. And then the reverse rare Entei. So with that, guys, thank you so much. Crown Zenith is just an amazing set. Great way to end off Sword and Shield. So that all, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Wow.